Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian, Cooking with an Italian. Today something super nice and typical from South Italy, typical from Sicily. We're going to make arancini di riso. Someone call arancine di riso. Or we do with only with rice and with mince, a little ragu, very quickly. We need, I show you. First step, we have 2-3 steps to make this. It's a little bit long process, but the end is buonissimo. Okay, we need, you see, we need well, this is 400 grams of rice. I use Basmati rice, but you can use any rice you like. Okay, and this is my version for arancini or arancini, because in Italy we have million of them. This is one. Okay, 400 gram rice, 150 gram of Parmesan. I use 50 gram of Scamorza, smoked Scamorza. Is smoked cheese. You can find smoked soft cheese, and if you have some saffron, but it's not obligatory. Okay, first step is done. The water is already on. Rice in. The rice is very important. Rice not to cook, not to stick, al dente. That is because in the end gonna be deep fried. You know, we need al dente. Rice in is around 12-14 minutes, not more. Later I like with saffron. You can take water, hot water, half glass, some saffron. I like it. Put in, you know, make the color. Leave in the water, lid on, like, you know. I always say we are not master chef, but we cook very well. Anyway, the very important for this arancini is very good if you make ready always the ingredient you need, because the Parmesan and the cheese, when we pour the water, we need very hot rice. We're gonna put inside everything and melt in. And the next next step, we make a quickly ragu to the stuffing from the going inside. See you later. Okay, the rice, guys, is ready. Now we pour it. That's the water. And inside again. Now guys, it's very important this Parmesan, that cheese, and try to mix everything. Soon you can. Now the saffron, if you want. Mix everything again. You know, change color. Now guys, this rice, I recommend you to put in some tray like this, because you're gonna rest around 1 hour, 1.5 hours, like that. You see? The smell already is super nice. Next step gonna be a quickly ragu. You see? Just like that. You don't need the precise. Guys, and now I clean up all this mess around. And I show you the next step is ragu, and cover it with clean film. Okay? See you later. Okay guys, the first step is done. The rice is in the tray, and I show you.
Yep.
Is in the tray. I'm gonna rest at least leave 1 hour. Now it's time to do the ragu. Very quick. I need. This is another 350 grams of beef and pork, but you can use any meats you like, you know, pork, beef, horse, blah blah blah, anything you like, okay? Some puree, tomato puree, we need some green peas, carrot, onion, if you like garlic, if you like herbs, if you like everything you like, is good, okay? Now, onion and carrot. I say guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel if you can, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now, 1 minute, the onion and carrot is ready. We put meat inside and we leave. Now, guys, we cook the meat. When it's 70% cooked, we're gonna add the pea and tomato puree. Okay, put salt and pepper, and the job is done. See you later when I show you when we put this inside, when we add that inside. Guys, the ragu gonna be like that. Not too much water, gonna be dry, more dry as possible. Okay, the meat is already cooked. Okay, salt and pepper. It's perfect. Now, here we go. It's what we piselli qua dentro.
All of it?
Yeah, everything. Yeah, like together. Yeah.
It's freezing.
Now is the time the piselli, the green peas, tomato puree. There is 2 teaspoons. Mix everything. If you need a little touch of water, you can do that. I think in this case, a little bit.
Hot water.
Yeah, it's done. Mix everything. If you need a little bit more than the puree, you can. And that's it. See you when it's ready, okay? 15 minutes and the ragu is ready. Delicious, the smell is super. Look, the very important, okay? No water. This is very important. Now guys, this is done. Now guys, the ragu is ready because we need everything to be. The ragu is ready. We leave to rest half an hour. I don't know the time we need. The rice is there to rest hour and a half. See you later for next step. We're gonna prepare the butter and we're gonna deep fry. Okay, this job is done. So in this case, see you later. Okay. Okay, guys. 2.5 hours gone. The rice still very solid. The ragu is ready. I will make some with meat inside and some with cooked ham. And some, this is soft cheese like Scamorza, Saffron. Anyway, make ready next to you some one bowl with some water. It's gonna be like when we do the sushi, okay? Wet your hands and just cut. It's gonna be a little bit mess. Try to make the form like this. You can do plain. I'm gonna do plain as well for my son Enrico. He like plain as well. And you put some meat inside. You see? Not much. Like this. We can put 2-3 pieces of cheese. Press it. You know? No rush when you do this. Take your time to not make a mess. We make like this. And now on the top we start to give a form. The form you can give any form you like. But I like roll, well, because it's the more easy. Cover all the meat. The next step we're gonna dip it in the butter and breadcrumb and we're gonna try it. Anyway, you can put inside everything, anything you like, everything you like. You can put vegetables, spinach, prawns, everything, anything you like. Look at that. This one is one arancino. I want to show you, we make one plain. Plain is easy. Look at that. Super. Meat, plain. And last one, I want to show you later, I'm finished with always your hands. We make one with cooked ham and some cheese inside. This is one my wife's son favorite. Cover the space. Take your time, no rush. When we cooking, we love it. We are not master chef. We cook always for us. This is gonna be my dinner. To be honest, it's first time for my son Enrico, but he gonna love it. Okay, now this is the third one. Okay, we have with ham, meat, plain. Okay, you can do any form. Yeah, any form you like. I'm going to finish it and show you the next and last step. Okay, see you later. Okay, guys, the arancini or arancine ready. That was 400 grams of rice and some meat. That I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big and 2 little bit smaller for Enrico, the plain one. And now get ready the oil, vegetable oil. I use sunflower oil. They're gonna be more than 170, 180 because we're gonna cook that for about 7 to 8 minutes. Okay? Now, in this time, the oil is on. We're gonna make ready the butter. Okay? 400 gram flour in. This is over 200 ml of water. Start just like that. Start making. More water. Maybe we need more. Maybe liquid. A little bit more water. In the end, it's almost 2 glasses of water. This is very important. We add some salt. Yeah, it's almost perfect. It's done. When it's something like this, it's done. Water, flour, salt. That's it. Anything else? We check the oil. Use thermometer if you have one. If not, use the tufti. Okay. Okay. Guys, I don't want to be long with you. I need a couple minutes for the oil going to be ready. See you in a couple minutes. Guys, the oil is ready. I need 170, 180. It's perfect. Okay. Now we start with one with the meat. Okay, guys. In the butter, use a spoon. In butter, use a spoon like this. Yeah. Later, going in the breadcrumbs. Just like that. And do something like that. You see? I told you for make this arancini or arancine is a lot work. But guys, wow, it's something super. I wanna show you one, and later I'll show you when it's finished everything. Anyway, this is ready. Go there in the oil for 7 to 8 minutes. Okay. When it's ready, this I show you. Okay. See you later. Okay. 7 minutes. And later some kitchen roll. This one is ready. Now I'm going to fry all of them and see you later to test it. Okay, guys, the mission is finished. The arancini is ready. Look how beautiful they are. Enrico, my son, already hit one. He said that they are delicious. And look, nice, crispy, beautiful. A lot of work, but it's very, very good. Now, I want to show you one. I don't know which one is. I guess it's the meaty one, but we'll see. Yes, it is. Oh, look there. I know it's meat, ham, and cheese. Oh mio Dio. Guys, I have to try it. Look, look. This is show. Oh, the cheese.
I know you don't like.
Guys, maybe I miss a little bit salt, but it's absolutely delicious. Oh, guys, well done, Piero. I'm proud of you. But guys, nice. Anyway, the arancini or arancine is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.